This LEGO model is the Gravitational Wave Observatory Twin Laser Interferometer, and it made a groundbreaking observation. The facility discovered two giant black holes colliding and merging into a single object 49 times as large as our Sun 5 years ago. 3 billion years ago, when the two stars merged, energy 2 times the mass of our Sun was released. Within a fraction of a second, this exuded gravitational ripples across the universe and altered the fabric of space-time itself. A supermassive black hole arose in the aftermath. Point about this observation is that we can hear what kind of sound they let out because scientists shifted their wavelengths into the human range of hearing. You might expect a huge earth-shaking sound like this, but it sounds like a water drop.